HIV is no longer killing the people as it used to, especially around 90s to early 2000. It remains still a global challenge. In countries like the United States of America, the rate of infection are around 30,000, which is, by the way, a huge number. And the new infections per year, it's 1.3 million people who are infected with this disease. There is actually a race to find a cure of HIV by 2030, but nothing tangible has been actually produced. And guess what? There is at least a pointer to the right direction. A new vaccine has been approved by authorities in the United States of America, and they're saying you can just take 2 shots within a year. It prevents you spreading, it prevents you getting the HIV. Yes, you cannot get the HIV. If you get 2 shots per year, you cannot get the HIV virus. It was actually approved by the United States of American authority, and already it is being sold, but I mean with a different name. Now the name of the vaccine is called Yeztugo. I can't spell. The other name is Lenacapavir, like Lenacapavir. I hope as time goes on, we will actually get the proper pronouncement. Very much for watching us. If you're watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button so that next time when we be live, you become the very first one to watch us. So the United authorities have reported that they have approved a new vaccine. That vaccine, they say, if you take 2 shots a year, it can actually, you cannot get HIV and AIDS. No matter you sleep with people who are infected with HIV and AIDS, you will remain protected. You just need 2 shots a year. There will be a lot of these vaccines for us. I know people don't trust vaccines in quotation, quite a number of people, but you cannot blame them. And I know there are going to be a lot of theories around this particular development. It's interesting if we have got scientists watching this channel to also shed some light about this. This vaccine was produced by Gilead. It's Gilead or Gilead, that is Gilead Sciences. That is it's a company, institution that produced this particular vaccine. It's called Yeztugo. The other name Lenacapavir. I'm not so sure, guys. It's Yeztugo. It's Yeztugo, and then the other name which they use to describe the vaccine is Lenacapavir. It appears Trump administration is good at coming up with these kind of vaccines. Remember, during the coronavirus, a vaccine was developed so very, very fast to deal with HIV and AIDS. So it does not, this vaccine, I should emphasize, it does not treat HIV. Yes, you are right, it was produced a long time ago, but it was not approved by the United States of American authorities. So you can produce a vaccine, but that vaccine, especially, we know United States of America is actually a powerful country. If it approves something, definitely all other countries are bound to follow the United States of America. We know in Africa, I remember the day United States of America, let me start like this. It was Russia which came up with the first vaccine. It was beleaguered, it was not trusted, and also China. But when the US came up with their own vaccine, we saw it being envied everywhere. All members of the global community actually asking for that kind of vaccine. This is how actually people perceive the US. So now it might have been produced. I understand already it was already being sold, but it has been approved by the United States of America. It has been rubber stamped, and they have checked it and they are saying it's okay. Now, if the standards of US are to be believed, then we will see this vaccine being rolled out to the world. And we may actually see a scenario whereby we may be forced to take this vaccine, just like coronavirus. There were attempts to force people to take this particular. Yes, you are right, Martin Chiruka. So definitely, so it has been now rubber stamped. You see, it has been existing, I understand, but it has another different name. It has been existing, being sold on the market, particularly in the United States of America, but it was not given a green light as a vaccine that can be trusted. You know, for example, countries like South Africa, you can go and buy medicine. They will tell you that this medicine, it is sold, but it is not registered or approved by the board that actually approves and registers medicines. In some of the countries, if a medicine is not approved, it can be sold and to be written at your own risk. It will have that caption that it hasn't gone through thorough scientific evaluation and investigations. So that is the issue. If really this vaccine will work magic, then that will be good for the world, because 1.3 million people contaminating the virus every year. That is a lot in the world. So just imagine, since the time it started, of which the rate was so high, how many people will we end up having with HIV and AIDS? Thank you very much for watching us. If you're watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red black subscribe button, so that next time when we film live,